So let's get right to it. This Brother Monochrome laser printer is a workhorse. This is a monster of a printer. Talk about the capabilities and how easy it is to set up. I have this running through Wi-Fi in my office, and from day one, it just outperforms every other printer, fax, copier, all in one I ever had. So this is a no-brainer to pick it up. The price is well worth it. I'm telling you, I cannot do anything, make any money in my business without this machine doing it for me. So many features. Instruction manual is very clear. Online instructions. It's just plug and play, easy to set up, great quality, over and over again. Just make sure you get true brother cartridges for the ink and you'll have no problems. So pick this up, won't be sorry.